The following video contains scenes that might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey man, you know where I watch. Alright viewers and subscribers, you don't know who this already. This is the Dancehall Killer, you see it. Now here I'm going to show you a video right now where prove why government workers, some government workers don't like to visit some communities, you see me? And when I say government workers, I mean like the power company, the light company, the cable company, you know? And when I say certain communities, I mean like communities that is considered to be like ghetto or hostile, you see me? Now, before we show you this video, I have to warn you that the following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised, alright? Observe with me.
Concentrate, Itoro. Itoro má bàjá. Itoro má bàjá. Vamos avançar. Momento. Afa, ẹ má bọ́lẹ̀.
Viewers and subscribers, that's what I'm talking about, right? These men were only just trying to uphold a certain rule that is of the company, you see me? And it's more than obvious that the rule might be because these people have not paid their bills on time. So they are there trying to disconnect them, you see? And this way right here so is somewhere in Africa. You get what I'm saying to you? But even so be the case, it's a worldwide thing. You see me? This happened to enough places in the world where, you know, the company worker go to disconnect or to do certain things, and at the same time, you know what happened? It turns out that they have been attacked by residents because the residents is angry at the fact that they are being disconnected. You see me? Like in Jamaica, for instance, right about now, they make sure them change out all of these, you know, for the power company people, they make sure them change out the things where their workers no longer need to go to disconnect them by going to the light post and climbing it anymore. Then just stay at the office and disconnect it because them build some new meters now that has this thing inside of it that disconnects when them press a certain button from the office. You see me? So that eliminates the whole company workers going into the neighborhoods and then get attacked by residents because they are being disconnected. You see it? Alright. And even though that eliminate one point still, you know, there's still a point where them still don't like to go to certain communities. You see me? Because you still have communities that do electricity theft. You see me? And even though they want to go and disconnect them, they can't just run into the community to disconnect them because these communities that is doing the electricity theft, some of them is considered to be hostile communities. So whenever they are going to disconnect these illegal connections, they have to bring police or soldiers and them things to protect them themselves. So you see it? And them can always just have police and soldiers behind them because if you know the police and soldier thing, the company would have to directly sign some form of agreement asking to be accompanied by these police or soldiers at the time they need them. You see me? And it's not every time they can be granted that. You get what I'm saying to you? Well, you don't know, so I only bring two new hot pan social media. Keep on up to date and posted. And this right now hot pan social media. You see me? The point of this is that the reason why government workers avoid some communities. You see what I'm saying to you? Yeah, because you see what happened right here. So, and this is really a big point, you see me, and this is something that happen worldwide, as I'm saying, you see me. Alright, so if you're new to the channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button, leave your comments, let me know what you think. My name is Dancehall Skilla, big up on yourself.